Hi everyone, in this video I will be discussing about how to safely cross a railway tracks. You must not drive onto a level crossing while a train is approaching or if the road on the other side of the crossing is blocked. You must not block a level crossing, know the length of your vehicle and never cross unless your vehicle can clear the track completely. Stopping at level crossing. You must stop at a level crossing when the traffic light is red or a gate is closed or boom gate is down or red lights are flashing.
Take extra care where there are no gates, boom gates, or flashing lights at a crossing, particularly in the country. When you see a warning sign, slow down, look, and listen for trains in both directions.